Namaste viewer, and welcome back to Ajastro Guru. I am Neena, and today we are diving deep into the latest trends shaping the cardamom market. We've got some interesting shifts to cover, so let's get started. First up, let's talk about small cardamom. We've seen a noticeable recovery in prices during the recent auction at Vandanmettu. This is a key location, known for commanding premium rates, and we observed prices climbing above 2,700 rupees per kilogram. While this is certainly a positive movement, it's important to note that overall demand remains somewhat subdued, despite the reduced auction activity. Now, let's look at the bigger picture regarding production. Initial estimates from spice industry sources suggested a potential output of around 30,000 tons for this season. This would be a decrease from last year's 35,000 tons, which initially fueled the earlier price rally. However, there's a revised perspective from market insiders. They're now estimating production to be closer to the 25,000 to 27,000 ton range. This lower output is a significant factor in maintaining the current elevated price levels compared to the previous season. Breaking down the auction specifics, the average price per kilogram at Vandanmettu was recorded at 2,706 rupees. This is an increase from the previous session's range of 2,545 rupees to 2,652 rupees. The highest bid also saw an uptick, reaching 3,053 rupees per kilogram, up from 3,004 rupees. Looking at the auction volume, total arrivals increased to 62,783 kilograms, up from 60,473 kilograms in the previous auction. Despite all trading being concentrated at Vandanmettu, offtake also rose to 59,417 kilograms from 58,380 kilograms. However, the percentage of stock cleared decreased slightly to 94.6% from 96.5%. This slight dip indicates a degree of cautious buying among market participants. The number of lots auctioned decreased to 228 from 288. Focusing on grade-wise pricing, we saw stability after a couple of sessions of weaker performance. The 7 mm category traded in the range of 2,680 rupees to 2,800 rupees per kilogram, the 7 to 8 mm category at 2,880 rupees to 3,060 rupees per kilogram, and the 8 mm plus grades at 3,100 rupees to 3,220 rupees per kilogram. Now, let's shift our attention to large cardamom. In the northeast markets, we've observed a decline in prices for the second consecutive session. Both Chotadana and Badadana varieties experienced drops ranging from 50 rupees to 115 rupees per kilogram. Badadana is now being quoted at 1,600 rupees to 1,713 rupees per kilogram, while Chotadana is trading between 1,400 rupees and 1,500 rupees per kilogram. It appears that the recent downturn in small cardamom prices is having a ripple effect on the broader cardamom market. So, to recap, we're seeing a recovery in small cardamom prices at Vandanmettu, driven by reduced production estimates, though demand remains somewhat tempered. Meanwhile, large cardamom prices are experiencing a downturn in the northeast. As always, market dynamics can shift rapidly, so staying informed is crucial. Thank you for watching Ajastro Guru. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest commodity updates and in-depth analysis. I'm Neena, and I'll see you in the next video.